Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate American Express card online guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your American Express card and any identification needed. Open your preferred web browser on your device. Type American Express Activation in the search bar and press enter. Look for the official American Express website link and click on it. Once on the home page, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on Login to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password, then click Login. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your online account by entering your personal information. After creating your account, log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the card activation section. You will see prompts asking for your card number and other identifying information. Enter your 15-digit card number found on the front of your American Express card. Next, provide any additional information requested, such as your social security number or date of birth. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. After entering your details, click on the Activate button. A confirmation screen should appear, indicating that your card has been activated. Take note of any additional instructions provided for using your card. Once complete, log out of your account for security. Your American Express card is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.